We're back on the Morning Brew. Welcome to our show once again. I'm Larry Aarons, along with our co-host Aaron Muffaletto. We're live in Albuquerque today, Wednesday morning, April 3rd. And I didn't know this until we got notice of this gentleman's appearance on our show. I didn't know Albuquerque had a poet laureate, but here he is.
Yeah.
Look at this. Hakeem Bellamy is with us this morning. He is the poet laureate of Albuquerque.
Apparently, yeah.
Wow. Great to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Yes. Well, I didn't know you were around. Now I'm inspired.
It's coming up on a year. Actually, we in Albuquerque we do a 2-year term for the poet laureate. So it was last year on the 14th of April when they made their selection before that, but that's when we had the ceremony with Mayor Berry down at the library, and since then I've been trying to bring poetry to the community in the places it hasn't been before.
And the thing is every time I hear poetry with Albuquerque, I hear Hakeem Bellamy. And I've actually been to maybe 2 of your shows, and I just love it. I enjoy it.
Great.
So
Sarah.
it's great to
She's a
Thank
fan.
have
you.
a sit
Thank
down.
you. Yeah, right. Absolutely.
So what are some shows that you have coming up?
So actually, if I could, I would like to talk about one of the really cool projects I have coming up, which
Sure.
is a partnership with the Mayor's Art Initiative, which is they do the tiling around the convention center.
Oh,
So if
I've
you've
seen
noticed,
that.
the
Yeah.
so there's one more segment that they're finishing, and then that's the end of this 13-year project. It's been all summers, or all springs and summers for the past 13 years. Over 100 artists participated in it. People who do tile work and tile muraling and mosaic muraling. And for this last segment, Sherry Brugman, who's at the Public Art, the director of the Public Art, City Public Art, and she thought that it would be cool if I hung out with them and learned how to tile myself. So I have a trade. So when this poetry thing stops working out, I'm useful. And then write a poem that will be read at the ceremony that they have to kind of I don't know, dedicated, I guess is what you would call it, which I believe is going to be the last Friday in June. And so,
this June.
This June.
Oh, wow.
So it's pretty exciting. It's pretty exciting to be part of something that has such a huge legacy, something that'll be permanent. And I'm writing this poem, and some lines of my poem will actually be tiled into the mural. So, when I'm long gone, my words get to hang out in Albuquerque.
That's
it's
pretty cool.
Yeah, yeah.
So as poet laureate, if there's official events where the mayor's going to give a speech or something,
Yes.
do you usually
Official
get up and
duties.
do a little poetry
Yes.
prior to?
That's the kind of the main part of the
I
job.
like that.
Is like you're kind of a ceremonial poet. So when there's occasions in which the city wants to commemorate something in poem, they give me a call, and I start doing some homework and feverishly start writing and do my best.
Yeah.
So.
Do you have a little sample? Like would you introduce Mayor Berry with poetry, or?
We haven't gotten that far yet, but
Okay.
that's a good idea.
That's pretty cool.
And part of your job is to create something original every time.
Yes, I mean that's being the first. I have this unique opportunity to kind of to create the position, and so my personal preference is to write something new for each ceremony.
Very interesting.
That's awesome. And you have a book,
I have a book.
Poems by Hakeem Bellamy.
Yes, it's brand new. It's my first book. I mean, I've been published before, but this is the first time I've had a whole book to myself.
Yeah.
And it's available on West End Press, and UNM Press is the distributor.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I can go buy it at the bookstore?
You can go buy it at the UNM bookstore soon. You can buy it at Bookworks Albuquerque. The Albuquerque Museum will be having it as well, because I did a partnership with them in which they're doing an audio exhibit of poems that go with some of the paintings, and it's
so
available
that will be
online.
your audio talking.
It would
with
be
the
actually
paintings?
yeah. You could actually hear my voice if you want to do that to yourself.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Hakeem, forgive my dumb question here, but I like to know how people create things. And as opposed to writing a speech, when you sit down to write a poem, you're still conveying an important message. How do you get to that?
Man, not easily. I mean, it's different every time. Sometimes I'm inspired, or I'm asked to write a poem for an occasion, and a poem just falls out. Those are the good days. Oftentimes, I have no idea where to start, so I just try to immerse myself in research. And for me, because I'm more of a journalist poet, because that's my background, I do. It's kind of somewhere in between speech writing and poetry.
Yeah.
I feel like if I do enough research, a good idea will come from it. A unique way to approach the subject matter will come from it, and then I get to writing. Usually there's a deadline too, and that usually makes me have to finish it.
It is great to meet you.
It's great to be here.
And show us the book again.
Yes.
It's called Swear,
My publisher will be
Poems
happy.
by Hakeem Bellamy, our poet laureate in Albuquerque. I'm impressed.
Yeah. And, so if somebody wants you to come to their show, their poetry event, can they come by?
They can contact me at my website. My
Oh,
website is Hakim, B-E, short for Bellamy.com. HakeemB.com.
Hakeem B.
Thanks for dropping
Thank you
by.
for having
We'll
me.
see you again, I'm sure.
Yes.
Hakeem Bellamy here on The Morning Brew. Larry Aarons along with Aaron Muffaletto back in a moment.